everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, and I thought I could get a chance to jump in one of the economy homes that is front loaded. So we're going to have a kitchen at the front of this home, and if you look at this in comparison to the rest of the homes, they look the same, right? This is part of our economy series, but you're going to find some really great deals on these homes. It's called the Prime Home Series, and they come with some really great standard features, such as a 2x6 wall and a 200 amp electrical service. You still have the option of doing an OSB wrap behind the siding. Also, some other options that we can add, just a short order form for the options list, but really it comes with such great standard features. You don't need to add a whole lot of things. Now, the kicker to that is very limited on the customization. So you're gonna find some Casper Cashmere in this home, but a VOG panel is the available wall panel in the Prime Home Series. One thing that I do like about the Prime is you're gonna see the VOG panel all around the windowsills. So you're gonna see that VOG, which is a drywall product, and it's 3/8 of an inch thickness and has a vinyl backing that is very easy to clean. Oh, hi, Mama Kitty. Hi, meow. She's been here for years. Years. She has a whole family of kitties here, kittens. All right, back to the home. Front loaded, islands included. That's another great thing about the Prime Home Series, and I can't think of one where there isn't an island. So you're gonna have an island. And also we've got a partially galley kitchen, right? It's still L-shaped, but is separated by a wall here. So you've got the sink area, optional dishwasher there, and plenty of cabinet spaces. You can add some mini blinds if you like. And then here we go with the other part of the kitchen area where you're gonna have a pantry over here beside the refrigerator. Yes, refrigerator, which is a standard opening, guys, 37-inch opening, so you can fit many different refrigerators in there if you wanna put a different one besides this one. This one's gonna come with it. Hey, you're gonna get a stove, refrigerator, hot water heater, and furnace. That's gonna be part of every one of our homes, no matter what home series it's in, is gonna come with those features, and you can add the dishwasher. You could also add a microwave over the range if you like. Standard is gonna be a hood. Here we go, wide open to the living area. By the way, my name is Christina. I'm the general manager here at Topeka, Indiana Champion Home Center. And here we have the factory where you can come and visit and take a look. I'll show you step by step how the homes are made. Listen, guys, this is a no obligation deal. You can come here. I will teach you all about a manufactured home. I will teach you how they're built. And also, if you're looking for finance, I'll explain it all. I'm just here to help you. And so if you choose Champion Homes, that's great. I would be happy about that. But I just want you to come and experience, here's bedroom number 3, experience what affordable housing can look like if this is a choice you want to go through. Bedroom number 2. I also can tell you from a customer's point of view, because I live in a Champion home. So I went through the whole financing, installation, service. I've seen every part of it. Here's the utility room. It's a little dark in here, guys. I'm so sorry. Back there, you're gonna have a panel with your furnace and then washer and dryer here. Here comes the primary bedroom. These homes get packed in. Right, there's another home. So, especially when it's 5 o'clock, it gets a little on the dark side in here. But if you see any video that's a Prime home, they're all gonna have the same bathroom feature. Back there, you're gonna have your closet, single vanity, toilet, and on the other side, it may get a little dark in here, I'm so sorry. On the other side, a walk-in shower. So just wanted to jump on here. I haven't been on in a couple of days, and I sure do appreciate you guys. Gosh, I had a packed full weekend of people coming and visiting and looking at all the show homes for 2025. It's a brand new lot. But if this is on your horizon for spring, And especially if you're doing a construction loan, now is the time to start. I promise you, if you want your home delivered in the spring, you need to get here and see me, and especially get here and see me before it gets too cold. And we will go through the homes and have a good time. This home is a 16 by 72, also available in a 16 by 76, called the Solana. The Solana is the 72 long, and the Catania, I don't know if I'm saying the right, is the 76. As always, I appreciate you forever and ever. Thanks for watching.